Maxflo Motorsport with a 2001 Ferrari 360 Spider. We just installed our full performance package on this car. The package consists of our high performance equal length headers. It also consists of our 200-cell Sportcats, our Maxflo Mufflers, and our dual style tips. We also installed our carbon fiber air intake system and BMC air filters to give it a nice combination. So the engine's breathing better and the exhaust is going to give it a wicked sound. We're going to give you a couple blips and a pull off, all from Fab Speed.